I had 2 years worth of saving, and I gave zakah on the first year, on 1 year. However, in the meantime, I have used 2/3 of the remaining amount. Am I obliged to pay on the 1/3 that is in my possession, or for the entire amount that I had for the last 2 years?
There are two conditions for zakat to be obligatory. Number one, it reaches the threshold. There is a threshold: no zakah, no zakah, no zakah, no zakah. Once we reach the threshold, you have to pay zakat or more. What is the threshold of cash money? The value of 595 grams of silver. So if I have cash that is worth approximately, give or take, few dinars, if you have 200 dinars, then you have to pay zakat. 200 and more. This is condition number one. Condition number two, that a full lunar year passes while it is in your possession. So if I had 3,000 dinars, the first year I gave 2.5% zakat. The second year started 1st of Ramadan last year. It would end this 1st Ramadan this year. During this, the 3,000 dinars, I spent 2,000 dinars, and now I have remaining with me 1,000 dinars. So once 1st of Ramadan comes, I have to give zakat. How much do I have? Well, the amount that 1 year passed is 1,000. The other 2,000 are not with me. Then you give zakat only on 1,000 that you possess.